This is Kilimani area, Nairobi once celebrated leafy suburb. The narrative has taken an unexpected turn. A neighborhood framed for its bustling nightlife, plush luxurious apartment, global dining scenes, and prime office spaces are now teetering in the edge of urban chaos. And the cause is frenetic spree of skyscrapers constructions. The skyline, once dotted with green, now bristle with concrete giants. These towering structures, in their ambition to reach heavens, cast long shadows on the street below. Engulfing in the area is almost perpetual trailers. The once lit lanes and now open spaces where sunlight freely danced are now dim and desolate, and the vibrancy of the community is shadowed by the looming giants. But the story of transformation doesn't end with lights and shadows. The very essence of living in Kilimani is under siege, thanks to the unchecked urban sprawl. Water, which was the most basic necessity, has become a luxury for many. Because the skyscraper rise are grown infrastructure and they're tampering with water pipes, and as a result, taps turning dry, leaving residents in a patch case for water, making days on calendars not by event but the sporadic appearance of water. And then there is this issue of water drainage. Once the unseen heroes maintaining the suburb's cleanliness and health, with construction sites dotting every corner, these systems are compromised, tampered with, and at times completely obliterated. And aftermath is a grim tale of waterlogged streets and the inevitable slide into unsanitary condition, a stark contrast to the suburb's former glory. Kilimani mortifies from a leafy haven and it's becoming into a slum-like condition, and it's a chaotic narrative of urban development gone awry. It's a cautionary tale of what happens when growth is pursued at the expense of livability, when the race to build higher and faster overshadows the need of sustainability, urban planning. In the haphazard rush for modernization, Kilimani is paying the heavy price, trading its soul to skyscraper and vibrancy, to the shadows of darkness, and I can hold it the heights of impunity.
The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
During the daytime, you have to switch on your lights. Why? Because of the proliferation of these high-rise buildings that are coming up all over the place, beacon to beacon. All our trees have been decimated, our environment, the urban space right now is...
Not everywhere must be filled with apartments. There are apartments, many apartments in Kileleshwa which are empty. They cannot, not even 40%, not even 30% full, which necessitated these developments.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do